ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning. My name is Rob Clayton. Well, the US dollar overnight took a heavy blow as the markets across the board stages a rally, starting with the Aussie dollar through 76.0515, progressed on further towards 76.60. With minor resistance coming in now at 76.90, looks towards that recent rejection area of 77.20 to 50. Now, although the last 24 hours was strong, we need further evidence to support a bullish case for the Australian dollar. At the moment, I see support at 76.45 and beneath that 76.0510. Now, oddly, through there would actually see further weakness towards 75.45, 55 and negating any upside move and giving it back all these gains. But until we see a break underneath that 76.0515, then we should not rule out further challenges towards the upside, which may claim the highs around 77.20, 50 and reassess from there. Euro back into congestion area. As you can see here, around 112, 50, 90 to 112, around 90, pretty much where the market stage is full heavily here and posted a bearish outside range day. On the day, I'm looking for a range of 112.10 to 95. Now, as the market progresses higher, although we are in a small bullish confirmation here, resistance gets higher around 113.60, 65 and also very congested there. So there's a lot of work to the upside to get this market bullish. And as I say, beyond 112.95 to 113.60 should find heavy supply returning. With the support coming in at 112.10, under there, 111.45.50 would negate the upside and actually see further weakness to the downside. But at this stage, we have to see how the market plays out in the next 24 hours after the given 24 hours of bullish price action. Well, dollar yen's roller coaster falls or declines through that 122.35 level and went on to challenge that support around 101.25.30. The next 24 hours is important because if we see a breakthrough this level of 121, if we see a breakthrough this 101.25, then we would see further weakness towards 99.60 as an objective, with immediate support coming in under 101.25 at 100.60.65. While this level is intact at 101.25, if we get a break above 102.50, which is over 100 points away, then this would negate the downside and actually see further recovery. But at this stage, it looks very unlikely, and the downside case is very much supported, especially with the daily indicator coming in as strong as it is. So through 101.25, 99.40.60 as an objective. Well, sterling bears take heavy casualties as we see a 7-week high printed overnight. Now looking towards the resistance of 134.50.60. A break through this level would confirm further advance up towards an objective of 135.30.40 to 136.50.80, which is these highs here after the Brexit. Do note though, while we hold under 134.50.60, could see a return of weakness, as we've seen in the past, how sterling really chops and changes the trend. There isn't really much of a trend in terms of how this market's performing, but nevertheless, over the last few days has given some concern that we are seeing a bit of a break here, and as I say, above that 134.50.60 would give further confirmation to the upside. Support seen at 133.60.70 beneath there would negate the upside and look towards 132.80.85 to 132.10. Gold very much in this bull phase here at the moment as we continue to see further breaks from 13.16, 13.32 and now looking towards a resistance of 13.52. I'm not a buyer above that level. I think the market will get itself caught long up here and could see a turnaround and see weakness returning. However, on the day, resistance comes in around 13.52 to 58, with support now seen at 13.45. And to wrap up with oil, no real change overnight, still locked in this range of $44 to $46.80. I do expect to see mild weakness coming through, but unlikely to see any change in the next 24 hours and keep within these parameters. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the day ahead.